guys, welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, my name is Jen and I do all sorts of clothing unboxing videos, from shopping hauls to styling services, but mostly styling services because I like an expert to pick out my clothes for me. So if videos all about clothing sound good to you, then please subscribe below. Returning viewers, thank you guys so much for coming back, for your support, your comments, your likes, all of that. Very, very, very much appreciated. Today I am doing a Trendsend unboxing. If you're not familiar with Trendsend, they are a styling box by the store Ever Eve, which is a brick and mortar store. They send you 2 fully styled outfits. They didn't used to have a styling fee, but they did just start having a $20 styling fee that does get applied to anything you purchase. They also, with the styling fee, they now offer 10% off if you purchase 4 or more items. I really enjoy Trendsend mostly because I just like getting 2 fully styled outfits, and they do send me some sale items, so here and there are some wonderfully affordable pieces. So let's go ahead and dive right into this. Okay, they send you style notes, price sheet, a little more about the service and the clothing that they have. I've got a couple of bundles in here that I'm going to go ahead and pull out. Oh, I got 3 little bundles it looks like, so maybe I get 3 outfits this time. And then a mailer to send back what you don't want to keep. So let's just dive right in here. Okay. Outfit number 1, we have this one's very casual. Now I will say another thing I like about Trendsend is it is more casual clothing, so it's nice to have offsetting styling services. Stitch Fix is kind of more dressy along with some of the other ones, and this one is a nice casual one. So, okay, so they have a tank here and it says what? Good vibes all day, every day. Okay, and this is by Spiritual Gangster, and this is $48. So I like the tank, and it'll be a nice layering piece, but I don't tend to spend that kind of money on tees, you know, whether they're sleeveless or short sleeve. And then we have a short sleeve shirt that just says, be a nice human. Okay, I try to be. And this is by Suburban Riot, $38. Again, I'm sure this will be a nice layering piece, but I'm not going to spend that much. And then we've got a pair of sweat joggers. They have some striping on the side. You've got a white stripe and then a red stripe. So I'm excited to get these all on. These are going to be super comfy, I think, and I think they're super cute, so we shall see. This is by Z Supply, and it is $54. So, okay, that's outfit number 1. Super casual, but also super cute, so I'm excited about that. Outfit number 2 looks to be a little bit more dressy. We have this rust-colored V-neck top with buttons down the front, and kind of a bell sleeve detail, which people who have watched my videos know that I don't tend to love sleeve details, but we'll see. I'm not immediately ruling this out. And then we have elastic on the bottom. So beautiful color, nice unique top. I really like this. It is by Anama, and it is on sale, originally $68. It is now $39.99. So we'll see how that looks on. And then we have this pleather skirt. So this is by Peyton Jensen, and originally $78, is on sale for $59.99. Just a really nice pleather skirt. I like that a lot. Very cute. No idea where I would wear this. No idea, but it looks really nice. So okay, that's outfit number 2, and then it looks like we have actually got a 3rd thing here. Ooh, a dress. Okay, so we have this is a beautiful, you know, beautiful step into spring. We've got this blue and white dress. It's got floral all over it, and has this tie in the front. I'll say that The top of it looks completely sheer, but I always say that, and then as soon as I get it on, it's like, what? This isn't see-through. So we'll see what that looks like on. It does have lining in the skirt area, so I do appreciate that. And a cinch waist here. I usually like this shape of a dress, so okay, we'll see what that looks like on. So 3 outfits this time. That's awesome. They used to say 2 to 3, and then it sounded like they were just going to 2. I don't know. So, okay, let's go ahead and try these on. Okay, guys, first up we have the tank and jogger, and boy, these joggers feel good. Feel really good, soft. I like that they're not super baggy, so they're still flattering and cute. So really, really like these. So these are a possibility to keep. The tank is nice. It fits really nice. No really complaint. I guess the only complaint is, yes, there is a big armhole here. So you can see some brassiere in the armpits. So that's not ideal. So tank's a no, joggers maybe. Let's get the next top on that goes with the joggers. Now I did read through the stylist note, and she recommends either a front tech for these tops or to even do a tie front to create some definition in it. So I'm not great at these ties, so bear with me here for a minute. Okay, so there you go. Again, super cute. T-shirt's definitely a no, but we'll see whether the joggers make the cut or not. Let's go ahead and get the next outfit on. Okay, next up we have the skirt and the rust top. So, the rust top, this is a no for me. It is kind of almost dolman-y up here, just like very loose, baggy, where it comes tighter. So it kind of reminds me of a dolman shirt, but then with bell sleeves, and there's just kind of a lot. There's a lot going on here, and I'm just not a fan of it. Let's try it kind of more bunched up here at the waist, put the elastic on the waist and let it kind of bubble there. I don't know what you guys think, but I love the color. Just style, not my thing. Just too much going on. The skirt is cute, very cute. I think it could stand to be just a little bit smaller actually, but I like it. And I do like that it's not too snug. So possibility here, definitely a possibility, but let's go ahead and get the dress on and then we'll make our final decision. Okay, last up we have this dress. It feels very spring summery, which I am excited because it is March now. I'm excited for spring to finally come upon Indiana. I'm assuming it's going to happen at some point, so I'm excited. Anyways, so the dress, I love this type of dress. I love this fit of dress. I've got a couple others that are this shape that I had gotten from Stitch Fix, and so I really like it. Now, I don't know if I called up the price before, but it is $88. So I don't know that I love it that much. I like it. I'd wear it occasionally, but it's not one that I feel like I would be super excited to wear or feel super cute in or anything like that. So most likely this will not be a keeper, but it's a great dress, and I'm glad they sent it to me and I got to try it. So let's do the final recap now. Alright guys, what do you say we go over the prices? I think I already did prices, but we'll just do a quick recap of everything that's here and how I feel about it and wrap it up. Okay, so first of all, I do get 20% off thanks to somebody using my referral link, so that is a nice thing that if you do try Trendsend, then you get a referral link, and if you refer somebody else, then you get 20% off, so which is awesome. So Lene Klinker, thank you so much for using my referral link. I hope you are loving Trendsend, and thanks. Okay, we have the dress, which is the Wilder floral dress by Collective Concepts. The discounted price is $88. I liked it, just not enough to pay that much for it, so I think this will have to go back. Then we have the joggers, the Big Time Jogger by Z Supply. The discounted price for these is $43.20. I think I'm going to keep these. They're just super comfy. They're cute. I like the stripe on the side. I think these are going to be mine. Then we have the Everyday Muscle Tank by Spiritual Gangster, and the discounted price is $38.40. I'm not going to pay that much for a tank. Then we have the Be a Nice Human Tee by Suburban Riot, discounted price $30.40. Same thing, I'm still not going to pay that much for a tee. They are both good tees, good layering pieces, but just not that exciting to me. Okay, then we have the Vivian Vegan Mini Skirt, and the discounted price is $47.88. I do like this. I just don't think I would get enough wear from it. You know, at first I said maybe it was a little bit big, but I don't think, this isn't the type of material that has a ton of give, so I don't think I'd actually want it any smaller. But really, I think the deal breaker for me is just like, when am I gonna wear it? And I just don't know. So I think that's just gonna have to go back. And then finally, we have the Knit Banded Button Top by Anama, and the discounted price is $31.99, and the shape of it is just not my favorite. I did not enjoy the shape of it. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. If you like it, please give it a thumbs up. If you want to try Trendsend, you can use my referral link below. I thought this was a fun box. I've had other Trendsends that I probably have liked more, but this is still a fun box. Now, a couple things I did want to mention from my stylist note was, one, she's trying really hard to stay within budget, stay within things that fit my petite frame, and she made note that I said I didn't need any more jeans. So because of all that, she is very limited in what she can send me, and so I very much appreciate the hard work she goes to send me stuff that she thinks I might actually keep, I might actually want. So and I've noticed that with my Trendsend is my stylist always seems to, my stylist does change, but they seem to always kind of remember comments and notes that I put in things and adjust things accordingly, whereas sometimes in other boxes you feel like nobody's reading your notes or anything like that. So, okay, let's wrap this up. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you haven't subscribed, please subscribe below and give the video a thumbs up if you liked it, and we'll see you in the next video. Okay, thanks. Bye.